Hello guys, I'm Tamaghna Chatterjee from Openhouse. Today I will be demonstrating two experiments of physics, refraction of light. Here are my equipments to demonstrate the experiment. I have taken a bottle of water, a glass bowl and a glass with two diagrams which I have drawn and a 10 rupees coin. So here's our first activity and experiment. I've taken a glass, then I will be pouring some water in it. I've filled it half a glass, and now what I will be doing is I have this drawing of two arrows in the same direction which I have drawn with a black marker. So what I will be doing is from the back of the glass I will be placing the arrow just like this. Are you able to see it? Okay. If you are able to see, then you will be noticing that the top arrow is above the surface of the water and the bottom arrow is down the surface of the water. So what you are noticing? I am noticing over here is that the bottom arrow has shifted its position and it has changed its direction. This is because the refraction of the ray of the image from denser to rarer. So now I will be demonstrating the second experiment in which I have a bowl and I have a 10 rupee coin. So I will be placing the coin in the bowl and mark my position from where I won't be able to see the coin. Now from my position I am not able to see the coin, but when I will pour the water, then what will I notice? That from the position where I am not able to see the coin, but now I am able to see the coin. Won't it amazing? I think so. As I take the camera towards the setup, I will see that from the marked position, the coin has changed its position and it is lifted to the upward direction. Then what will I notice? That from the position where I am not able to see the coin, but now I am able to see the coin. Won't it amazing? I think so. As I take the camera towards the setup, I will see that from the marked position, the coin has changed its position and it is lifted to the upward direction. So the reason is that as the ray of light travels from denser to rarer medium, the refraction of the light is turned and hence we were able to see the image of the coin tilted. Thank you for seeing my video patiently. I will thank Kavin sir for giving me an opportunity to perform the activity, and I will also thank Team Openhouse for helping me with the video.